Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling indisputable evidence. Save the message link, channel ID, file ID, and a timestamp. Once done, gather ownership proof, originals, registration numbers, metadata, so you can prove authorship. Then draft a concise, signed statement that includes your full name, contact info, and a direct takedown request. This is not optional. Telegram requires specific details to act. Make sure your statements are truthful and formatted clearly to avoid delays or rejection. Now you file the complaint precisely. Email copyright@telegram.org or use the ANAP report and attach everything. In the body, paste exact message URLs, channel ID, and a link to the media, then attach ownership files and your signed statement. Also state your jurisdiction and the date, and include a declaration under penalty of perjury asserting your ownership. Once submitted, monitor the account you used. Telegram may request additional verification, so respond promptly to avoid rejection. Finish by actively following up. Check Telegram's reply and confirm the infringing item was removed, including backups or mirror channels. If Telegram denies the claim, ask for specifics, then supply additional evidence or escalate to legal counsel. Make sure to keep a clear log of dates, emails, screenshots, and what you submitted. This helps if you need to file in court or use a rights registry. One troubleshooting tip: if you see repetitive reposts, submit a batch complaint with index links to speed enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.